Hey, what's up? Hosanna Andrew here from the Reach Company with a tutorial on how to create and manage your staff area. Here on the staff page, you can see that we have the picture, the name, title, email, socials, and when you click on it, it brings up some biographical information. And we're going to look at how to add more people to this and order them as well. So here on the back end, we're starting in our dashboard area. And we can do a few things here. We can click on Add Staff, and that'll just take you right to the Add Staff page. I'm going to click on Staff, and it's going to bring up a list of the current staff we have on as a part of the church. You can see we have Kyle and Josh here. What we're going to do is we're going to click Add New. And your first time in here, you'll see like little pop-ups for Gutenberg, the WordPress builder and such. So I'm just going to add staff name here. I'm going to write some biographical info. If I can type. I'm going to copy that a few times. Try to keep that short, a few tweets long. I'm going to say this is staff pastor. And his name is hello@hosannacity.cc. We still have the choose a campus area in here in case you guys branch out to other campuses in the future. I know that changed in the process of this build, but we're still leaving the functionality here in case it becomes a future development. And then we're adding an administration department. You can add any one of these links. I'm just going to add like Facebook and Instagram. And then if I click on document, featured image, I am going to pick a random image. I'm just going to pick that image right there for now. Just for the purpose of you seeing how it works. And then we click Publish. And now when I go back over to our staff page and refresh, the collective is there. As you can see, the images are a little different sized. I would recommend using a consistent size for your staff headshots. And this is pretty square-ish, so I would go for like an Instagram kind of feel was the images that you guys already had. And if I click on it, I got some biographical information right there. And I'm going to go back to the back end because I want to put Pastor Josh at the top. So what I'm going to do is here from our all staff page, I'm just going to drag and drop, and you can put them where they need to be. And when I go back and refresh, it should say Josh Kyle staff name. And that's how you manage the staff area, add new staff. And you can see that right here, only my Facebook and Instagram show because we didn't add a Twitter link. And over here, for example, Pastor Josh doesn't have any socials listed. So the only thing we have for him is the email at info@hosannacity.church.org. So you might want to go back through these two at least and change out the emails with what they need to be as well.